We guide you through how to see deleted messages on Discord safely and efficiently. First thing you need to know is that Discord does not let you recover deleted messages directly in the app. So, you'll need to rely on moderation boots or server logs. Popular boots like MEE6, Dino, and Carlboot can log messages in a separate channel before they get deleted. To use this, invite one of these boots to your server, go to its dashboard, and enable message logging or mood logs. This select the channel where the logs will be stored. After setting it up, the boot will automatically keep track of messages, edits, and deletions. Moving forward, if a message gets deleted, you can check the boot's log channel to see the original content, who sent it, and when. Keep in mind, this only works for messages after the boot was added, so you can't recover old deleted messages. Using this method, you can keep your server organized, monitor activity, and view deleted messages whenever necessary.